Hey everyone, welcome to my bonus video. I have finally finished all of the glass work on this bottle, and I have time today to spend a couple hours grouting it. It's going to take a little bit of time because I think there's going to be quite a bit of cleaning to do. I'm using black sanded grout, and I just like to mix it on a little bit on the thick side, just so it doesn't drip off the spoon. Perfect. Once I've covered the whole thing in grout, I do some initial swipes with my rubber finishing tool, and you can start to see the pieces already, which is quite nice. I'm also using shop towels to wipe off the grout. I continue using the shop towels, but I've also coming in with a tweezer, or you could use a pick to get some of the lower areas uncovered where the grout has covered it. At this point, I've noticed that I've already knocked a few pieces off in this process, so I have to have a gentle touch, but I'm also not going to worry about those pieces until I'm completely done, and then I'll just have to do a repair. Here's an example of an area where the grout has covered the pieces, so I need to scrape away between each one and just make sure that they're completely uncovered. And then especially also any beaded areas, I just need to scrape on either side to make sure that they're uncovered. I have a folded up towel underneath this brown paper just to cushion the bottle as I turn it so that I don't knock it onto the table. Now that the grout has set up quite a bit, I'm coming in with this grout brush, and again I need to have a gentle touch because I don't want to knock any pieces out, but it really does help to uncover some of the, especially the curvy pieces or the beads all the way. Here it is. I have finished grouting it. I have a few repairs I need to make. One is area right here. A few pieces fell out. And then there's one more area. I'm not sure where it is, but I will make those repairs. What I'll do is I will clean out the grout, cut new pieces, glue them in, wait for that to cure, grout that little area. So I have this little area and I'll have to find the other one. It looks like it has room for about 3 pieces. There's one, it's not glued. And let me cut another 2. And there's room for one more up top. Okay, that's good. And then I'm gonna use E6000, but the nozzle's so messy on here, I'm gonna put it on a Post-it and dip it. That way I won't get glue everywhere. Glue anywhere. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I put blue tape here so I don't lose track of where that is. Now the other places I've already done the repair here on the bottom. So I put tape there, and I think there was one other place that I put tape on. And once those have cured, then I will go ahead and grout them. I've just mixed up a new batch of grout, and it has slaked. I set all the pieces. There were actually 4 parts where it came out, and I marked them all with pieces of tape. So I'm just gonna regrout those little areas. And the first one is right here, right next to that flower. Okay, the next one is this little white piece next to the Millefiori. Then I had this 3-part repair that I showed you guys. And last of all, there was a piece down at the bottom right here that I replaced. So I'm gonna let those set up, and then I'm gonna clean them up. And when it's all done, I'll show you. Last of all, I do want to add a piece of felt to the bottom, and I usually use a self-adhesive felt, but I couldn't find any at the store, so I got this one, and it is a little bit unique. It has some glitter on the bottom of it, and I thought it would be perfect for this glittery bottle. So I'm going to have to glue it on since it's not self-adhesive. It took me about a year to piece all of the glass on this bottle. I worked on it here and there when I had time. I really, really enjoyed the process, and I want to give a huge shout out of thanks to Lisa, my student who donated the bottle to me. That's Putting It Together bonus edition. Thanks for watching. See you next time.